dos, tres, action!
What's up, you guys? My name is Jesse and welcome to my channel. So yesterday I noticed that one of the brake light bulbs was out and I decided to replace it. But while I was driving home, I noticed that the light bulb indicator light kept flashing when I kept stepping on the brake. I got home, I stepped outside, and I noticed the whole right side was out. So today we're going to take the time to figure out exactly what's wrong, and hopefully this video helps you guys out if you're going through the same problem. Alright, we'll see you in the next scene. I popped the trunk open, and I got those plastic light covers off. Then twisted the knob and pulled the light bulb assembly out. So I turned all the lights on. It turns out two light bulbs were out on the passenger side, so I swapped them with the driver's side thinking maybe it's just some blown light bulbs that need to be replaced. But nope, they still wouldn't light up. Before assuming it was a light bulb housing and driving to different junkyards just to look for one, or getting overcharged on eBay, or even scammed on the Facebook market, I thought, let's check the fuses. Under the hood, there's a fuse diagram with a layout showing what fuse does what. I pulled out the fuse linked to the rear passenger lights and yep, blown fuse. I replaced it and suddenly the brake lights on the driver's side went out. So I checked the fuse for the driver's side rear lights and surprise, another blown fuse. It probably happened while I was messing with the lights while the car was on. I stepped on the brake pedal and both sides shine bright with no issues. Alright you guys, if y'all found this video helpful, hit that like button, the thumbs up button. Thanks for watching. And subscribe. Thanks for watching and I'll see y'all in the next one. Late.